Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the loudspeaker test between the Poco F3 device versus the Oneplus 8T device. As you can see, friends, Oneplus 8T here and the Poco F3 device, and both phones they do have the dual speaker setup. And let's see which loudspeaker will be the best option and which one will be having the better options as well. So make sure to watch till end of the video, friends, to get to know all these kind of interesting facts. And also don't forget to check the links in description for what live wallpapers I'm using exactly in the both the smartphones, as you can see, friends. And also check the links for each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. There is separate playlist for each and every mobile phone, so make sure to follow the playlist regularly to get to know all the information. So let's begin the comparison first by differentiating the hardware properties. The hardware thinks about the both phones. They do have the speakers, one in the bottom and one in the top as well, as you can see here. But both phones, the speakers are situated exactly same direction, as you can see here on the right side of the phone, and even on the top side there is small holes here for the better output. Even in the Oneplus 8T there is no such holes on the top, but the earpiece also acts as a loudspeaker. So these are hardware differences. Now let me try to show you the software differences what you will be getting in the both the phones. So there is no Dolby Atmos in this Poco F3, unfortunately. In this Oneplus 8T there is a Dolby Atmos. As you can see, friends, Dolby Atmos is there. So as a result, I decided to use this kind of smart preset value instead of selecting any other value. So even here in the Oneplus 8T, I did select the dynamic option, as you can see here. So these are the few settings which you need to know before actually starting the review. So let me try to play the audio file in both the phones. So let's see which phone will be having the better audio output. So here is a small soundbar meter which I'll be placing exactly in the middle between these two phones. So we will be getting exactly accurate results. So equal distance between both the phones, as you can see, friends, clearly equal distance. So now let's see which phone will be having better output. So let me try to start playing the audio file from the Poco F3 first, then I'll shift to the Oneplus 8T. So now let me try to start playing in the Oneplus 8T device. So let's see, friends, what will be the audio from the Oneplus 8T smartphone. So both phones, they both have the same kind of advantage, but Oneplus 8T feels slightly kind of good volume effects. So I did feel a little bit better effects in this Oneplus 8T device. So make sure to listen again, friends. I'm not sure. So this time I'll try to play the songs one by one alternate. So then you might be able to differentiate both phones. So meanwhile, I'll try to say the phone which I'm playing. So right now I'm playing in the Poco F3. Oneplus 8T, Poco F3, Oneplus 8T, So these are the few basics differences between both the phones in terms of the loudspeaker test. So for more unique kind of tests, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more interesting videos as well. And don't forget to check the links in description for exactly what live wallpapers I'm using in both the devices. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.